Here are some to look out for. 1. Dizziness. If you often feel a head rush when you get up after sitting for long periods of time or while climbing up a flight of stairs, you might have a vitamin B12 deficiency. When your body has low levels of the vitamin, you may lose your balance, especially when you move too fast. 2. Skin lesions, vitiligo, and sore tongue. Any change in the B12 content in the body can lead to skin problems like dermatitis, hyperpigmentation, or acne. Skin lesions, especially those not responding to any other treatment, are most likely from a B12 deficiency. Your hair and nails could change too. 3. Numbness or pins and needles. It's common to experience the sensation of numbness or pins and needles if you sit or stand in a certain position for too long. However, if you feel these even when you're not compressing or exerting pressure on any body part, it could indicate a vitamin B12 deficiency. 4. Muscle weakness. If you were able to deadlift with ease at the gym but are now unable to carry even a small backpack, your muscles might be weak. Muscle weakness is a telltale sign of B12 deficiency as your muscles aren't receiving enough oxygen. 5. Pale or yellow skin. Pale and yellowish skin is one of the most common signs of a B12 deficiency. You may even notice a slight yellow tinge in the white of your eyes, not unlike in jaundice. When the B12 levels in your body dip, red blood cells become fragile and start breaking down, causing yellow skin. 6. Constant fatigue and shortness of breath. It's normal to feel tired after a long day at work or after an intense workout. But if you feel tired all the time, even when you haven't performed any physically or mentally strenuous activity, a vitamin B12 deficiency could be at play. 7. Eye problems. Long-term vitamin B12 deficiency can damage your vision and cause vision changes. The lack of this vitamin can cause damage to the optic nerve, resulting in reduced central vision, blurred or doubled vision, light sensitivity, shadows, or tracers. 8. Stomach problems. If you're experiencing diarrhea or bloating, even though you maintain a healthy diet, then your body might not be absorbing vitamin B12 properly. Due to this, the cells of your gastrointestinal tract don't receive enough oxygen, leading to digestive problems like gas, constipation, diarrhea, loss of appetite, and weight loss. 9. Memory loss. Most of us have a good long-term memory, but often forget where we left our car keys, house keys, or even our spectacles. But if this forgetfulness is becoming a daily occurrence, your low vitamin B12 levels might be to blame. 10. Depression. Of late, if you've been feeling generally low without an immediate cause, vitamin B12 deficiency could have a role to play in generating the blues. B12 helps in the synthesis of dopamine, your body's happy hormone. A deficiency could reduce the levels of dopamine in your body. In order to overcome vitamin B12 deficiency, here's a list of foods which contain the highest levels of this vitamin. Beef and chicken liver, salmon, herring, mackerel, sardines, tuna, trout, organic yogurt, turkey, raw milk, beef tenderloin, and lamb. Other non-vegan sources of this vitamin include cereals, cheese, nutritional yeasts, and plant-based milk. Of course, the other option is vitamin B12 supplements. As you can see, vitamin B12 plays an important role in our overall health and can protect us from various health problems and diseases. That's why recognizing the early symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency is crucial to treat it as soon as possible and prevent further health complications.